Hello and welcome to this episode on Databricks. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the new AI gen function in Databricks SQL. The function is currently in preview and it is supported in Databricks Runtime 15.1 and above. So what does it do? Basically, the function leverages generative AI models to process and respond to user-provided prompts directly within SQL queries. And it is specifically useful for tasks like generating text, answering questions, or creating summaries. So let's say how we can use it to generate some insight from our questions. I'm going to quickly come here and on my compute. So I'm going to use the SQL warehouse serverless. So just turn it on. Okay, so we can see the serverless compute is up and running. So I'm going to come to the SQL editor and then I'm going to just create a new editor. So let me just create a new one. And first, I'm just going to write a simple select and I'm going to provide the prompt. So I'm going to say select and then I'm going to call the AI gen function and open the brackets. Now, inside the single quote, I can provide my question. So let's ask, what are the top 3 factors contributing to the success of data-driven organizations? Okay, so I have the questions and I'm going to come outside the bracket and just use the ask keyword and then I'm going to just get the insight from this question. So I'm going to just type in insight. I can even type in answer, but I will get the insight and then I can put in a semicolon and press Control Enter. So let's wait and see the outcome. Okay, so we have the insight. So we can see, according to various studies and research, the top 3 factors contributing to the success of data-driven organization are one. Now I can click on this to expand and I'm going to see all the details. So I'm going to move this up a little bit so that I can see all the information. So we can see we have the culture and leadership, and then we have data management and infrastructure, and then we have the talent and skills, and we have other information. So that's basically how we can leverage this function. Now let's ask another question. So I'm going to just come down and perform a select star. So select star, and I'm going to call the AI gen function again, open the bracket, and inside a single quote, I'm going to ask, what are the very key challenges faced by organization in implementing AI solutions? Okay, so we have the insight. So I'm going to expand and then we have these organizations face several key challenges when implementing AI solutions. And these are some of the most significant ones, such as data quality and availability, lack of skilled talent, integration with existing systems, explainability and transparency, bias, fairness, and then we have security and privacy, and so on and so forth. So this makes absolute sense. Now, let's just ask one more question. So I'm going to just perform again, select, and I want to call the AI gen function again. So select AI gen function. Now, I'm not going to get everything here. So let me just delete. So now for this question, I'm going to just ask, how can data-driven decision making improve business outcomes? So I'm going to just write the question here. Okay, so we have the question, how can data-driven decision making improve business outcomes? So I'm going to just fix this, all right? And then we can press Control Enter to run the query. And let's just wait for the response. Okay, so we have the insight. So I'm going to expand and then we can say data-driven decision making, DDDM, is a process of making decisions based on data analysis and insight rather than relying on intuition, experience, or anecdotal evidence. By leveraging data analytics, businesses can improve their outcomes in several ways, such as better decision making, and we have the increased efficiency, we have the improved customer experience, and then we have the enhanced risk management, and so on and so forth. So this is how we can use the amazing AI gen function in Databricks SQL. I'm sure you're going to love it, so you can just give it a try and let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.